YouTube, what's going on, man? Welcome back to another video with your boy Scooter. Let's get y'all a cold start real quick. That thing, boy, that'll never get old with me, boy. Not gonna lie. Oh, that'll never get old. Woo, I got that air blowing in here. Hold on now. This shit cold. But what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another POV with your boy. Now, I'm actually trying something different this time. Y'all let me know if y'all mess with the quality, video quality, you know, trying something different. So, but as I was saying, man, y'all let me know how y'all like this quality, man. I just want to switch it up. It's nighttime, so you really ain't gonna be able to full justice of this quality, but I guess y'all get it, man. I'm feel me. Y'all get the gist of it, man. But it's just gonna be recording like this. I have to make sure I get a pretty good angle of things, you know. But, and if y'all wondering what that light is, that's actually one of my sensors. It's being weird right now. I don't know why. It's just being pretty weird. But it's actually 3 a.m. right now. So yeah, this is a 3 a.m. POV drive. And yeah, I'm actually fresh off work, just got off work, you know. So that's the reason why I'm out at 3 a.m. Any other time, bro, I wouldn't even be out right now. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even play like that. I don't even play around like that, man. Feel me? Man, this damn shit on that windshield, it gotta go. But let me know how y'all feel about the quality. I mean, it is nighttime, but I think it's still pretty, shit, it look pretty good for it to be nighttime, you know? Let me see how this look. I think I should ride with that on, or nah. That's the whole purpose of a nighttime POV, you know? Can't really. I guess if I roll the window down, you can see right there, but let's see. Let's get out here in it, man. Trying to get y'all a good angle. Gotta clear that windshield off so I can see. I honestly think this way of recording is actually better. Like, the quality and stuff just looks a whole lot better. I don't know how it look on y'all end, but from when I'm looking at it right now, this look pretty cool. See, I'm trying to clear this windshield for y'all so y'all can see. That way y'all will be able to see the road, man. Y'all to be able to see it all. Feel me? I don't know if it's because it's like it's, I don't know. see something. room. Okay. Yeah, I honestly feel like this angle pretty cool. If I can keep this windshield clear. It's the only issue. And it ain't like it's raining or anything. Let me cut on the defrost one. See if that's gonna do something. Hell, it ain't raining, man, so I don't know why it's being weird like that. Cut it up some. Okay, that might be it. Don't look like you want to fog up no more, so probably straight. I lied. It's coming right back. That windshield is gonna blow me, man. Like, seriously. That's gonna really blow me. This angle cool though. Yeah, man, this ain't nothing but a cool little POV on the way home from work. Y'all don't know, man. Y'all smash the like button, man, so I can get out of my job, man. Like and comment and subscribe, man. Free me. That's all we gonna say. Free me. Please. You know. This angle hard though. Fuck with it. Damn, that shit was loud. Yeah, this angle cool as hell though. This might be the new POV angle. Who knows? Y'all, man, smash the like button, man. I'm recording this, and I'm really like, I'm sleepy for real. Like, I was just like, bro, I gotta record something, and I saw something on when I was watching YouTube earlier, and it made me want to experiment, you know, as far as with my, you know, video angles and stuff. I noticed when I record in that other mode that the videos be kind of blurry, so, you know, just give y'all some, not the clearest, but a little bit more clear, I guess. You know, I'm trying, man. I'm trying to get y'all right. We gonna have an official setup. Y'all see how fast that light turned red, man? Like, they ain't even give me time to come through the light. It already turned red, but I wasn't gonna wait. I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't waiting on that. That's so dead. That shit dead as hell. Really, this video is, like I said, a 3 a.m. POV. And also, I want to test out this camera angle so I know, like, you know, what I need to do. But overall, this camera angle pretty nice. Y'all just comment W camera settings, L camera settings. Let me know. So many glares off these lights. Yeah, this is definitely a cool angle. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And depending on the feedback that I get on you know, about the camera angle, we'll go from there with it. But until then, I'll catch you guys in the next video, man. Road to 800 subs. We are very close, so let's get there quickly. And with that being said, man, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.